what we have here. Okay. Another bag. Okay, what we have now? Power bank. Headlamp. Head strap. Okay, it's working. And to put the strap over here, I will put the price on video. How much was this? And in description I will put how much, where you can order it from Lazada. But yes, okay. This is because camping, we are going to camping and ordering stuff there. I think this would be useful. Okay, well, let's see what this is empty. This is empty. Let's open this power bank. I think there is something else. Okay, here's power bank. It was cheap. I think it was, let's see if it says here. Cord. Text is too little, but I think this is very small, like maybe 5,000, 10,000 milliamperes. But this I ordered to my Osmo Action 4. I can change this to use 3.5 plug microphones. We will test that later. And here is the mic. I have this couple of these more, but G mark. But I have few of these mics already. Basically it should work just like this, and I put this on cam. Actually we can try it right now if it's working. Last one what I ordered was USB-C model and it doesn't work. It should work, but it doesn't work. Let's see this one. Okay, now it's... Watch your ears. Boom. I think it's not working. Maybe I should start again.